Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER F75 MAX. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. To create and assign macro, let's go to Configuration in Dedicated App. Now select Layer and then go to Macros. Firstly select Edit Record Macro File Mode, then tap New. Now you can change repeat count, delay, intervals. Set Start Recording and record your macro. Stop recording and tap Save. Go back to Configuration, right mouse click on the button, Custom Function, Macro Definition and select your macro. Apply and it's done. To remove the macro, again press right mouse button and select default key. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.